Hi guys, okay, come again. Anyway, we are waiting for CIC to speak at 12. But in the meantime, and I want to attach the evidence because I'm spreading propaganda. I'm making things up. So let me post the evidence, and I'm gonna be reading an article. But again, I'll react and comment as I should. So before I read the article, I'm showing you this on purpose so that you know where I took the article and you don't say I'm spreading rumors. It's in the news. So the MK party says that it has deliberately not decided to involve itself in the ongoing debate over the reversal of the value-added tax increase. So the official opposition party has decided ukuthi yona it's not gonna get involved xa kuthethwa nge-VAT. Someone asked ukuthi if you are not getting involved while you are taking a break, who must be the official opposition? Hey. The worst part is this: there are MK minions who are busy taking credit of the VAT. Yeah, in the committees. Oh, Brian was speaking. Oh, Brian Molefe were made contributions. Brian Molefe and them are not the only people who made contributions. People from the other parties made contributions as well. What won the VAT? It's not the contributions from the committees. It is the court cases. MK did not submit any court case. Don't salutatazela. But anyway, let me read the article for you guys. And this article, by the way, it's based on Floyd Shivambu, because Floyd Shivambu had a rally in East London yesterday. So during his rally, he said the MK party, okay, let me read the article starting from here. MK party Secretary General Floyd Shivambu addressed the members during a mini rally held in Umdantsane, Eastern Cape. Shivambu emphasized that the party supports the majority view of South Africans on this matter. How can an official opposition support a majority view? What is a majority view, Nabetunan? An official opposition party support a majority view. Your job as an official opposition is to challenge. Your job as an official opposition is to challenge. It's to represent your constituency. So, supporting a majority view, what does that mean? What does that mean? And I want to know, are the MK people happy with this? Good to know the MK is going to support majority view. What is majority view? Someone please balance me. This is just my reaction. I'm react because so it says that Floyd continues to say, we are not going to get involved whether the VAT must increase or not, because we know that the majority of South Africans say it must not increase. We know that we represent the majority. We are a party and a movement of the majority, said Shivambu. What is Floyd saying? Let me interpret it in a season. We are not gonna get involved of the argument whether the VAT must increase or decrease, because we know that the majority of South Africans does not want the VAT to increase, and we represent majority. So Floyd is saying here they're not getting involved. Little how is the MK going to fight to make sure that the VAT does not increase to help the majority labor by represent? Is this making sense in Abednan? What happened to Floyd, guys? What happened to Floyd? This is not the Floyd. Yes, there's a lot that has gone between us and Floyd. But what happened to Floyd? I don't think this is the Floyd that we know. Why is what's happening with Floyd? Can somebody who knows Floyd and who has followed Floyd's political career comment here and tell us what do you think Floyd? What do you think is happening with Floyd? Is Floyd working to the benefit of MK, or is he working against? What is he doing? Secondly, I want to know, with you MK minions, are you happy with this this thing? That your organization is not going to do anything, it's just going to support majority. an official opposition. Shem, it's embarrassing, Shem. I'm not gonna lie.